It's time to animate our player. So open the stickman script. We already write a function named change sprite and it is called here. So it's time to write a logic inside this function. First, we need to check if rb.velocity.x is greater than 0, then we don't need to flip our sprite. So write sprite renderer.flipx is equal to false, and we need to set this to true. As you know, our player sprite by default looking in the right direction. So that's why we need to flip the sprite when player move back to the left direction. Make one more if statement if rb.velocity.x is smaller than 0.7 and rb.velocity.x is greater than 0.7 and our game object.transform.position.y is smaller than actual join position.y. If this statement is true, then set or sprite renderer.sprite is to stop sprite. Else, if rb.velocity.y is smaller than 0, then set our sprite renderer.sprite to go sprite. Else, set sprite renderer.sprite to back sprite. Now save the script and go to the Unity. Oh, there is some issue. Open the script again. Here we need to create a public vector3 locate2d function, and it's need a vector3 parameter called vec. Inside this, return new vector3 gameObject.transform.EulerAngle.x, gameObject.transform.EulerAngle.y, and vector2.signAngle, vector2.up, and vec. Now call this function here. GameObject.transform.EulerAngle is equal to locate2d actual join position minus GameObject.transform.position. Now save the script, go to the Unity and hit play. As you can see now, this works properly.